When it comes to harnessing the full potential of your Element TV, understanding how to navigate your way with its remote is fundamental. From unboxing the unit to pressing the first button, there's a profound sense of control and convenience that makes the television watching experience more enjoyable. This guide will lead you through the intricacies of your Element TV remote, starting from its basic functionalities to programming it with your TV. It also provides helpful insights on setting up your TV and remote, ensuring a seamless connection between these devices. Your Element TV remote control is a multifunctional device designed to make your television viewing experience seamless and convenient. Upon unboxing it, you will find several buttons, each serving a distinct purpose. Some of these key buttons include Power button. This is used to turn the TV on or off. Numeric keys, 0 to 9, they permit you to directly select channels. Volume plus buttons, increase or decrease the volume level. V buttons, browse through different television channels. Mute button, this instantly silences your TV. Menu button, this button displays the TV menu for various settings. Input button, to switch between different input sources, like HDMI, AV, etc. Arrow keys and OK button, these controls are used to navigate the on-screen menus and confirm the selection. Spend some time interacting with the remote control, pressing each button while observing the corresponding reactions on the TV. This practice will aid in understanding the function of each button and how they can be utilized. The process of linking your Element TV remote to your television is known as synchronization or programming. Follow the steps below to program your remote. Turn on your Element TV. Ensure it is set on the correct input for TV cable or antenna signals. Locate the Set button on your Element remote control. It is typically located on the top left corner. Press and hold the Set button, usually for about 3 seconds or until the red light on your remote turns on. Locate the code for your television in the Element Remote Control User Guide. The user guide typically comes with the remote and provides a list of codes that corresponds to different TV brands. Using the number buttons on the remote control, enter the code for your brand of television. After entering the code, the red light on your remote should blink and then remain on. Press the power button on the remote. If the TV turns off, the remote has been successfully programmed. If the TV does not turn off, repeat steps 2 to 6 with another possible code from the user guide. Understanding and programming your Element TV remote control will enhance your viewing experience, providing quick and easy access to your TV's features and functions. To set up your Element TV, start by plugging the television into a power outlet. On the back of your Element TV, locate the power cord connector. Insert one end of the power cord into this connector and the other end into a wall outlet. After ensuring your TV has power, press the power button located on the front or top of your TV to switch it on. The second step involves preparing your Element remote control. First, find the battery compartment on the back of your Element remote control. In most cases, you'll need a pair of AAA batteries. Insert the batteries properly, ensuring alignment with the positive and negative signs. Once batteries are in place, replace the battery cover. The process of linking your remote to your Element TV is straightforward. First, turn on the TV. Then, point the remote at the TV. Press and hold the TV button on the remote until all 4 mode buttons light up. Enter the 4-digit code for your Element TV. You can find this in your remote's manual. If done correctly, the TV button you pressed in the previous step will turn off. If it blinks rapidly, the code wasn't recognized and you'll need to repeat this step with the correct code. Release the TV button on the remote. The correct code for most Element televisions is 11886. If this doesn't seem to work, try code 10178. If successful, test the remote by pressing volume up or channel up. If the TV responds, your remote has been successfully programmed. However, if your television doesn't respond, repeat the previous steps ensuring that you enter the correct code and press the right buttons. Make sure there's no obstruction between the TV sensor and the remote control. Also, ensure the batteries in your remote are not weak or dead, as this can prevent the remote from pairing correctly. If all else fails, Consult with your user manual or contact Elements customer service for further assistance. By carefully following these instructions, you will be able to properly set up your Element TV and program your Element TV remote. Enjoy your viewing experience. The first step in programming your Element TV remote to your TV involves familiarizing yourself with the remote. Locate the power, mute, and volume buttons, along with the channel selector and the function buttons. Identify the set button, which is crucial for the programming process. Ensure both your TV and the remote have operational batteries and are turned on. This is important for the remote to send and for the TV to receive the programming signals effectively. To enter the programming mode, press and hold the set button on your remote. You will need to do this until the LED indicator light on the remote flashes twice. The remote is now in the programming mode and ready to accept the codes for your TV brand. Now, you need to enter the brand-specific code, which will be 4 digits long. You can find these codes in the manual that came with your remote or on the Element website. The LED light should blink twice, indicating that you've entered a valid code. If not, try entering the code again. To confirm that the remote has been correctly programmed, try adjusting the volume or changing channels using it. If all functions work as expected, your programming was successful. If the remote is not responding after programming, you might have entered an incorrect code. Try repeating the process with the correct code. If the issue persists, you may need to reset your remote by holding the set button until the LED light blinks twice, and then entering 10,178. Note that not all TV models under a brand will have the same code, so you may need to try a few different ones. It is also possible that your remote might not be compatible with your TV if it's a very old or very new model. The first step in troubleshooting is understanding the problem. If you're having trouble when trying to program your Element TV remote to your TV, be sure to identify what exactly is going wrong. Is the remote not responding at all? Is it only partially working? Or maybe you are just unable to navigate the programming process? Determining these specifics can help you pinpoint the issue. One of the most common causes of remote control difficulties is batteries. If your remote is not working, your batteries may be dead or improperly placed. The first thing you should do is check to make sure your remote's batteries are inserted correctly, and if they are, try replacing them with new ones. If your batteries are in good condition but you're still having problems, the issue could be with the remote itself. Many difficulties can be resolved by resetting the remote. To reset, first remove the batteries. Then, press and hold the power button on the remote for 3 to 5 seconds. Put the batteries back in and see if the remote is working. Another potential problem could be that the Element TV remote is not compatible with your TV. Be sure to check the user manual or contact Element support to verify if your remote is compatible with your TV model. If you're having trouble following the programming instructions, try reading through them carefully again, ensuring all steps are being followed in the given order. If this doesn't help, online resources, such as video tutorials or forums, can provide visual guidance and first-hand advice from other users who have successfully programmed the same remote. If you've tried all of the above steps but you're still unable to program your Element TV remote to your TV, it might be time to contact Element's customer support. They can provide further assistance to solve your issue, which might involve replacing your remote or providing additional programming steps. Throughout the course of this guide, various steps and techniques to operate and program the Element TV remote have been brought to light. We delved into the nooks and crannies of unboxing, setting up your TV and the remote, programming and even troubleshooting. Each aspect serves as a pillar to ensure a rewarding and hassle-free viewing experience. By familiarizing yourself with these, not only are you becoming adept at operating your Element TV and remote, but you are also elevating your home entertainment experience. So, embark on your journey of exploration with your remote and make the most of your Element TV.